What is going on, bread gang? It is freaking hot. I told y'all we were doing the same video in 2 minutes. I just made y'all wait a day for it. Hopefully y'all don't hate me too much, but hope y'all are having a fantastic day, fantastic Thursday night. The video probably drops at about 8 o'clock, but I'm rambling on already. Look, we're 5 seconds into the video and I'm rambling on. Huge things going on the channel today. What's going on out here? Somebody talking? This is weird. What's up? We are here with my man Ashley. Huge shout out to him. Real quick, I posted something on Instagram. Hey, somebody come film with me. Bam, just like that, we made something happen. We get this bread. I know y'all saw in yesterday's video that he likes to get this bread just as much as me, and huge shout out to him. Gandy278, go follow him. Let's get him to 100 followers. I'll do something big. You get him to 100 followers and I'll do something. Name it and I'll do it. Maybe not, who knows, but get him to 100 followers either way. If you're new to the channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. Join the bread gang. We love to get this bread. It's what we do. Today we're gonna take a look at his truck. Y'all saw it at the truck meet. I didn't want to do too much at the truck meet just because I wanted to give the opportunity for people to get like a full review of their truck and just a full walk around. I didn't want to, skim over anybody at the truck meet, and I wanted everybody, especially like Red Rado, my buddy Ashley here, to give y'all a full opportunity to come take a look at your truck. So let's roll the intro real quick and let's get to it. They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. You about to get kicked out of Bojangles. Hey, baby! Real quick, before we take a look at the beautiful 2014 Silverado that he has, again, huge shout out to him for the new license plate cover. I know I didn't show it on the truck yesterday, so this is what I'm gonna go ahead and show it real quick. Let's get this brang. Holy crap, I can't talk today. Let's get this bread. Absolutely love it. Huge shout out to him. This is one of the coolest things I've ever got. This is the first true subscriber gift that I've ever gotten, and it's my favorite. I absolutely love it. This is staying on the truck for a long time, so huge shout out to him. But main point of the video, of course, what y'all want to see. I mean, have you ever seen such beautiful Arkon wheels before? I don't think so. I mean, this truck is, I love it. It just honestly shits on mine just a little bit. Y'all know me. If y'all have been with the channel long enough, you know how much I've always wanted chrome wheels, and this is making me want them, but I just can't do it. But 2014 Silverado, we'll start with the outside. He's got the same headlights as me. I'm just gonna kind of jump around, so stick with me. He's got the same headlights as me currently. Like I said, I am getting rid of mine. I already have a buyer, so leave me alone. But I do actually like the, cops are over there. Ooh. Hopefully I don't get us in trouble. Anyway, cops are gone now. Hopefully, honestly, I hope they come back. That'd be awesome. Great content. I actually really like the black headlights better than mine. I have mine here. I really like the black better, to be honest. The black headlights, I feel like would look great on my truck. The chrome, I don't know. That's kind of why I'm getting rid of them. But I really love the black ones. He's got the white 50 cal bullet just like me. Such a great little accent. Most of the time your radio still works with them too. Such a great little accent to the truck. I love the whole white and chrome and black. It all ties together really well. I'm a big fan. Did you have the door moldings on the side at one point? Did you take those off, or did it come without them? It come without them. Come without them. You are lucky. You are a lucky man. I love this. I absolutely love this. It's got the color match bow tie on front. It did come, it had the chrome caps on the front, or the chrome bumpers on the front? Yes, it's chrome. So he's got, explain this to me one more time. So it's plastic caps that are wrapped. Is that what it is?
That is a bumper shell, which covers all the chrome.
Bumper shell. So it's a shell that covers all the chrome, and then did it come white like that? Yes. Okay, so it came white like that. And honestly, if y'all are not wanting to have your bumpers wrapped or painted, the shells are a great way to do it. I don't know if they come pre-painted or not. Hit him up on Instagram if you want to find out more information. Nice little subtle change with the pods on the bottom. I'm sure they add a bunch of light at night. Always love lights. You can't go wrong with lights. Having too many lights is never an issue. Coming around, let's see. How dark are the windows? 25 in the front. Is it 25/20 in the back?
Just 25.
25 all the way around, looks good. Bed cover, any specific brand for the bed cover, or is it just?
I actually have to look at it.
As long as it works good, right?
Yeah, it's a Flex, made by Flex.
Cool. I've always thought about getting a bed cover, but I like to just throw crap in the back. We're gonna get to the wheels in a second. I know that's what y'all really wanted to look at. Let's see, total of 10-inch lift in the front. It is a, you said ready lift? Super lift. Total of 10-inch super lift in the front. Total of 10-inch. It did look a little bit bigger than mine while we were riding over here, and for some reason I thought it was 8 or 9, but it's actually 10. So I mean, you can see sitting right next to mine, it is a little bit taller, and it's got, I mean, it's got just as wide of a stance, really. Awesome lift, said it rides great, beautiful color. I love the kind of the pearlish white. It's not like the flat white, more of a pearlish white. Is there a specific color that the white is, maybe?
It's Summit White.
Summit white, I love that. If I didn't have silver, honestly, y'all know I hate the silver, but I really like this white. I don't like the kind of base model truck white, that kind of flat white. I love this this white. Coming right along to the back, matching Spider headlights, or god dang, tail lights. I don't know what I'm doing for tail lights yet. I actually really like I've always liked the C kind of shape. I really like those. I have an idea for what I'm gonna go with, but if my idea for some reason happens to kick rocks, this is what I'm going with. I really like those, especially compared to the, you know, the stock ones that are on there. I really want to get rid of the red on the back, so having is it the matching third brake light as well?
That's Recon.
Recon, okay. Does Spider make a third brake light?
They don't make a tinted third brake light.
What the hell? Spider, get with it, man. What's going on? Color match bow tie on the back, LTZ. He did have the leather seats, but he does not. Long story, doesn't matter. Are they the caps in the back as well?
Yes.
I did not know they made the caps in the back. That's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. For those of you that know me, I say that's crazy all the time. That's crazy. If you know me, you know. If you know, you know. Moving right along, we've taken a look at the outside headlights, the Summit white. Love the color. He does have exhaust. What's the exhaust on it currently?
It's bone stock.
Bone stock is just a different tip on the end.
With the 6.2s, that was the tip they was putting on them.
Oh, okay. So has the 6.2 engine in it. I know this thing, especially if he straight piped it, would be absolutely insane. If this video gets 1,000 likes, maybe he'll straight pipe it. I know it probably won't though. But 6.2 engine, that means his gas mileage is probably a little bit worse than mine. I'm just joking, maybe it is. I have no idea. I haven't really talked to him about it. But I'm really jealous of the 6.2. The 5.3 is nice, but the 6.2 just having that little bit more power, and especially once you get some exhaust systems set up on it, has a little bit more, you know, just kind of growl to it. So I love those. But I'm gonna jump into really what y'all probably clicked on the video to see. I've gotten so many comments about them. I've got a buddy that's about to get some, actually a couple buddies that are waiting on theirs. But it's the 24x14 Arkon off-road wheels. Is there a specific brand, like model of these? Lincolns. So we got the 24x14 Arkon Lincolns. These are probably the cleanest chrome wheels, aluminum wheels that I've seen. They are not forged, but I mean, really at this point, you don't, you know, forged wheels are becoming so common. These Arkon wheels are completely going crazy in the truck game right now, and I'm super excited and super blessed to have the opportunity to, you know, take a look at some in person up close in one of my videos. He's got some spike lug nuts on there, always a must when you have big wheels like this. I know I don't have spike lug nuts, so I'm kind of calling myself out. Maybe I'll get some in the future. But I absolutely love these. They're super clean. They are ceramic coated. I would really recommend anybody with chrome wheels or just wheels in general that you're trying to take care of, definitely get ceramic coated. They're, you know, makes it cleaning so much easier, kind of protects them a little bit as well. It's been a couple days since he's washed this, and these wheels are still just beautiful. So huge shout out to Arkon Off-Road Wheels. I've got a couple buddies that I'm gonna get in some videos when they get theirs, but definitely the first set, hopefully one of the first sets on YouTube, and just such a beautiful wheel. Huge shout out to Arkon for making such a beautiful wheel. The designs are super simple, but they're super beautiful. So again, I know I keep saying it, huge shout out to them. We've got the 24x14 Lincoln Arkons, and then wrapped in a 35 1350 24 amp off-road, the MTA, is that what it is? MTR? Amp off-road. Y'all have seen the amp off-road tires before. Everything rides great. I believe he's going to be switching up the suspension setup soon. If you are not, don't say anything. Let's at least keep their hopes up. But I vaguely remember him saying something about a McGoy's lift at the truck meet. So hopefully that comes in the near to distant future. If he ends up keeping the truck, actually, no, I do remember. I'm gonna put you on the spot. Maybe a 12-inch Cognito. Maybe. I like that. Maybe's good enough for me. Huge shout out to Ashley. Awesome dude, even nicer truck. I mean, we're on a grind right now. I posted yesterday, I posted today. Leave some comments below on who y'all want to see in some videos. I'm willing to travel. Let me know. Scotty, I'm calling you out. You're in Jacksonville. Meet me halfway or something. Let's make a video. I want some 24x16s on the channel again. I did some 24s, now it's time for some 26s. Such a beautiful truck. He was at the truck meet last time. He'll be at the next one. So if y'all want to meet him, make sure to come to the next truck meet. July blank. I'm not revealing it yet. Have not followed him on Instagram, please go do that. We're trying to get him to 100. He deserves 100. He's an awesome guy with a even sexier truck over there. So beautiful. Thank you so much for making the drive down on such short notice to get in the video. I'm super blessed to have the opportunity to meet with such awesome people. If y'all haven't, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Show some love to the bread gang. Join the bread gang if you like. Bread gang is awesome. Bread gang's amazing. And we like to get this bread. So I'm gonna see y'all next time. We're gonna head out. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. And as always, let's get this bread.
Yes, sir.